Here on my screen is a project called Core. This is core.io and our privilege is Core. So as you can see, the project is currently registered with 0.79 cents currently as I'm making this video, because there was a huge crypto dump, as in crypto dump a lot, Bitcoin dumped, and it draws all the altcoin down. But that is not the problem, because every massive drop is equivalent to massive sell. That is what we call the drop and go and drop or whatever in the trading aspect. But that is not our discussion today. We are discussing about a project that is going to make sense for you guys. So this called I will mind it on Satoshi app. Satoshi app is the mother of the Score project, because Satoshi is what he used to be answering before a lot of things happened and they started calling it Core. But the app that remains Satoshi app. And this particular project, I didn't mind much of it, even though I didn't find it out earlier, but I mind the little I can earn from it. And the little I mined from it made me over $206 the time that I withdraw it. This is a screenshot from my MetaMask account. And as you can see, guys, this project is already listed in many exchanges. This particular project helped a lot of people. The people that started mining it on time, it helped them to make a lot of money. And if you look over here, you will see the exchanges where Core is listed. This particular coin is the coin that people mine for free. When I say mine for free, a lot of people made over $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 from mining this particular coin, and this is the people that started mining for free. And unfortunately, so for some of us didn't mine it, and some of us mine it a bit. But right now we have another chance. And before even continuing this video, the ones we mine from core.io, from Satoshi app, the core that we mined for Satoshi app was listed, and it was 25% of it was unlocked for us, we airdroppers. 25% of it was unlocked for us. That was months ago, and the 75% that remains we keep on be unlocking for us every single month, once a month. And 15th of this month, that was around yesterday or the day before yesterday, they unlocked another one for us, and every single day I do it. And as you can see, the total remaining that I still have is 105.7, and available that they have already unlocked for us, for me, is this 6.32 core. What I have to do now is to click on claim it, so that it will go into my MetaMask account instantly. So if I click on confirm over here now, you see that I will confirm the transaction, and the blockchain is going to do the rest for me. And as you can see, the transaction is now successful. And if I head over to my MetaMask account, you see that I'm currently having 25 core over here, and I'm currently staking around 71 core over here. So as you can see, the total reward that I've gotten from staking it on the website, core website, where we are staking it to earn more. So I'm currently staking it, and I've gotten 0.73 core. And what I normally do after staking is just to click on this particular place that says claim. If I scroll up a bit, I will see claim. And all I have to do is to click on this particular place that says claim. It's going to load up a bit. As you can see, it's now waiting for confirmation and other things. And after the confirmation is being done by the blockchain, I'm gonna approve it. And as you can see now, they say that the transaction is now successful. So if I head over to my home page again, you see that the staking reward I got is now on my account, and I'm now having 26 core with that 71 core which I staked is now around 90 something core, if I must be right. So look at it over here, 71 plus 26 core is equals to 97 core. So plus 105 which I had over there right now. So let me add it, 105. That is 202 core. So 202 core times 0.7, that is 0.7. Let's calculate it like that, times 0.7. Sorry, let me just do it like this. So look at it. This is the current price of core, and it's still going to go back to, before the end of this year. If the bull run comes, is heading to $10, there is no There's no two ways about it. It's heading to $2. But right now, with the total amount of core that I have, I'm currently having around $141 because of the drop. So if I want to sell the whole core that I have now, that means I have gotten $141 from mining this particular project and free. So let's assume it got up to the $2 that it was listed before with $3 that it was listed. It's gonna be $606. Then let's calculate it if in case it went to $10 by end of this year. That is around $2,000 that I made from mining that particular coin. So we now, for those of you that didn't mine it, actually there is an opportunity for every of us that didn't mine those ones or didn't start it early, and it's going to be this particular update that I'm going to share right now. And now wait, before we continue, please, this is a little intro. My name is King and welcome to ZBK Crypto. Please, if this is your first time coming to my channel, this is my channel. This is where I share updates, both USDT updates, the risky ones and the free ones, and also the non-risky ones, and also most of all where I share airdrop videos almost every single day, the airdrop reviews and crypto project that's gonna make you a lot of money without actually investing your money. And if this kind of updates impresses you and you kind of get interested in on it, I need you to do one thing for me, or just few things. Please use 2 or 3 seconds of your time, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You just followed me on YouTube without actually losing anything. All you do is just to follow me up. And next thing, please don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop any update. And with this, you guys are helping my channel to grow, and in return you are getting a valuable information from me. The things is that it's working for me to make my money online. Remember, I make my money only online, almost only online, guys. So the next thing is for you to drop a like on each of my video that you are watching, including this particular one that you are watching right now. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And now, last but not least, don't forget to follow me up on Twitter, because that is where I even drop updates before coming to YouTube to make a review about it. And with this, I hope you guys have helped my channel to grow. And let's dive into the main video of the day. So the project we're talking about, just like I told you guys, for those of you that didn't mine core, or for those of you that also mine core, we all currently have a new mining update running on this Satoshi app. This Satoshi app is where we mine that core project that I reviewed and showed you guys what I made from it and what I'm actually planning on making from it also. So this is my account here, and the project we are mining is this particular OEX over here, and so far so good. I've gotten 1,689 point something there, and what I need to do every single day is to head over to my account and scroll up a bit. You see where they will tell you that you participated in so and so amount of rounds. Every single hour they are gonna generate one particular round of airdrop for you, and what you have to do is to come back to your account once or twice a day, click on this particular place that says claim, because if you don't claim it and it reach up to 25 unclaimed airdrops block, is automatically it's gonna stop mining for you until you come back to claim it. So that is one thing about not being active on the airdrop. And what you need to do is, you don't even need to worry yourself or suffer yourself in many things, because mining this particular project is very, 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 very free. All you have to do is to make sure you come back to your account every single day and start mining it. And where you can see it, don't worry, there's a video in the first comment of this video where I showed you guys how to start it. That is when you are done signing up with the link in the description of this video, and also there's doing your face verification. Once you're done with your face verification, that is how to verify your account in this particular app. Once you're done with the face verification and signing up, the next thing is to go over to your account and click on this particular project. You see where they ask you to participate in the project. I made a video about it in the first comment of this video. Check it out in the first comment of this video. And a little review about this particular project we are mining. This is their website, and according to what it says, OEX is going to be an exchange company. That is when they are done mining the airdrops and listing. They are going to be an exchange where you will see, just like Binance, another exchange, you can trade core and other mining projects there, but first of all they need to launch their project, and they are currently doing their airdrop. You can check out the oex.org, that is openex.org, for more information. You can go ahead and review their site and other things about the platform. And without saying much on this particular video about it, as you can see, the expected is currently dropping, and a estimated start time is 4th of this year, that is March this year, and it's going to be mined for 1 year. That means by March next year we're expecting the mining to stop and every other thing to round up. So what you need to do is to make sure that you participate in this particular airdrop and keep on mining it until the listing date. For me, I've already gotten up to close to 1,700 pieces of this particular Openex, and my target is around 10 to 20,000 pieces of it before March next year. By God's grace, I'm gonna get up to that. So all you have to do is to make sure you come to my account, and I will give you this gift card. I will give you this gift card over here so that you use it to increase your mining rate, and also share this hash rate. Go over to Telegram, you will see where you can share hash rates and all these hash cards, so that you will keep on increasing your mining rate. And so you can, if you can refer, you can also refer and earn mining rate from your downliners also. So that is how to increase your mining rates in the platform, and I don't think there's any other much thing I need to tell you guys on the platform. All you need to do is to make sure that you keep on accumulating until listing date, so that any amount that it's listed with, we are going to make a lot of money about it. And with this, I think this is the end of this video. Once again, this is ABK Crypto, and my name still remains the King. See you guys in my next video. Bye.